Perfect.
And here's the best part. I put a little doorbell on it.
I can't wait to see it up on the big Poston Sniffsmas tree.
As soon as the glue dries, we'll head into town.
Ooh, that gives me time to mail my letter to Sandra Paws. Want to hear it? Okay, great. Dear Sandra Paws, what I really want for Sniffsmas is the Sam Whippet Racer 6000 remote control car. It's the one with racing stripes, a super turbo engine, and rocket boosters. I drew a picture so you don't confuse it with the Sam Whippet Racer 5000.
Oh, that's clear.
Nice.
The picture helps.
Could you please bury one in the snow tonight so I can dig it up on Sniffsmas morning? Thanks. Love, Tag Barker. What do you think?
I think it's just like the other 50 letters you sent Sandra Paws.
What? My other letters only have one, please.